Let's plant flowers, cheered Lily, the leader. Tommy, the curious one, asked, what do we need? Anna, the organizer, listed seeds, tools, and water. Max, the helper, said, I'll get the seeds. Together, they dug small holes with excitement. Lily showed them how to plant seeds gently. Tommy sprinkled water, making sure not to overdo it. Anna organized everything back neatly. Max said, the sun will help them grow. Every day, the kids checked their little garden. They marveled at tiny sprouts, whispering, grow strong. Soon, colorful flowers greeted them happily. We did it together, they all shouted joyfully. Their patch brightened everyone's day in the neighborhood.